Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cupcake to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute cupcake, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So I'm going to come right here, and this is the top of our the bottom of our cupcake, where the wrapper is. So I'm just drawing a big curve. Then from there, I'm just going to come down right here with an angle on both sides. And I'll just bring it down a little bit more to about right there. And now that I'm about the same level, I'm going to round off this edge right here and here as well, and then just connect at the bottom with a soft curve. So this drawing is just meant to be fun and super simple and hopefully very easy. Okay, so now that we have the bottom of our cupcake, let's come to the top, and we're just going to draw mounds and mounds of cream. So I'll just start on this side first, and I'll make it nice and simple, so just maybe 3 of them. And one more heading towards the center, going up, and I'm just going to curve out. And then I'm going to bring this down. But before I finish everything, I'm going to come right here and draw a candy corn. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish it up and come right back to here. So I know I want to place a big piece of candy corn, so I'm going to come about right here at a slight angle, and I'm going to draw this candy corn, so a little bit sharper towards the top, and come right back down. And then about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a little curve. So it makes it look like our candy corn stuck in the cream. And then right here for some details, I have 3 colors on our candy corn. Oops, wrong angle. Just want to make sure we're at the right angle of our candy corn, and then another one right here. Another curve right here. And then now that we have our candy corn in there, let's come up here and finish our cream. So whatever space I have left, I'm just gonna go ahead, and then about right here, I'll just put in 2 more curves to finish it up. So now that we have all the general shapes of our cupcake in, let's bring it to life and make it extra cute. So I'm gonna come right here on our candy corn, and I'm just going to put in 2 big dots, and then a big smile right in between. There. And then let's see here, for our cupcake part, I'm going to come about right here and draw a big circle. And come right across about right here and draw another circle. Okay, so then I have my 2 circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to come up with your own spooky, cute cupcake. There's just so many things you can do with this, right? So hopefully you can add whatever you want at the top to make it extra spooky. So let's do the same thing over here. There, so now that our eye is in, let's come over here and just gonna draw a soft curve over each eye, and then in between, to make it a Halloween cupcake, let's give this cupcake some teeth. So I'm gonna come right here as if I'm drawing a curve, but I'm going to stop, put in 2 little fangs, and then up. And then I'm just gonna connect it at the bottom, big curve, and then cap it off right here. And then I'll just come in here and shade this all in so you can see the little teeth a little bit better. Just thought that'd be a cute little touch to add. And then let's see here. Let's add a little spider, of course. So I'm going to come right here, put in a little line, and then just a very simple spider. So just draw a little oval, and then we're just going to put in some legs. there, just so it looks, so we know it's a spider, right? And then let's see here, we can add some sprinkles or whatever you like on our cupcake. So just add some sprinkles here and there, and some Halloween colors. There. And of course, last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Halloween cupcake. I really hope you love this and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.